Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. 3s that is about 2s plus s. Next we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 2. So we can do another factorization by s plus number 1. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s plus number 2 b over s plus number 1. Later that, we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 1. So capital 8 multiplied by s plus number 1. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 2. So capital B multiplied by s plus number 2. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. So b with number 2, that's why we have 2b. A with number 1, we have 8. And now we need to compare coefficients. We have s, so coefficient of s that is about number 1. So a plus b equals to number 1. We don't have the numbers in here, so this one equals to number 0. And now we have the system of equations. So we can find the solution of 8 and b. So 8 equals to number 2, b equals to negative number 1. So we put a and b go in here. And now we have the final answer. So a that is about number 2, b that is about negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.